Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to rotate or change your screen's orientation inside of Windows. I'll show you where to find this option inside of the settings menu and also the shortcuts so you can quickly flip through the different layouts. If you want to change this inside of settings, maybe say you're setting up a portrait screen for a menu or display, right-click on the Start button on the lower left and then choose Settings. Inside of here, choose System. Make sure you're on the Display menu on the left and then find Display Orientation under Scale and Layout. You can then choose the orientation that you want, and when you're set on your choice, you can hit Keep Changes or Revert to try another. Now I'll show you the keyboard shortcuts for all of these. This is super useful if someone has accidentally or even purposely changed the orientation and you have no idea how to get it back to normal. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and Alt together, and then using your arrow keys, you can press each direction to change the orientation. So for example, Ctrl Alt and the down arrow flips your screen upside down. Ctrl Alt and the left arrow will flip to the portrait mode with left side on the top. Go ahead and hit Ctrl Alt and up to flip back to normal. And that's how you rotate your screen orientation inside of Windows. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.